If your identity and value is tied to Figma or any other design tool, then you're really at risk. If you're someone that just accepts whatever output AI gives you without questioning it or trying to refine it, I'm afraid AI is going to replace you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just realized that I haven't done a face video in a while, but I just came on here to talk about the whole discourse about AI replacing designers. I personally don't think AI is going to replace designers. If you put it that way, that AI would replace designers, then you're not covering the whole picture. And don't even get me wrong, AI is a very, very powerful tool. Like, we've seen AI build a whole product structure. We've seen AI build apps from scratch. We've seen AI generate UI screens that are even editable. Like, AI can do a whole lot. But there are just certain things that if you're still doing by now, then AI would definitely replace you. So let's talk about those things. AI will replace you if you only know tools. If your identity and value is tied to Figma or any other design tool, then you're really at risk, because currently AI can be able to generate UI screens now, even with auto layout. It can even make it editable. AI can also generate components and even a full design system now. And I believe that's one of the primary roles of AI in the design industry currently. And secondly, tools are really, really trendy. I mean, we have so many tools every month. We have new tools coming out. We have Figma, we have Webflow, we have Figma. In this AI era now, so many AI tools are being rolled out every month. We can't even keep up. So if your identity is tied to just knowing how to use tools, you can be easily replaced, because once those tools become automated, then your value drops. So try not to attach yourself emotionally to any tool, because it's only a means to an end. Number two, AI will replace you if you can't solve problems. And I say this because your primary job as a designer is first and foremost to be able to think, to make decisions, and to question everything you do throughout the process of building or designing a product, right? So even if AI can be able to do certain aspects of your work, it's still your job as a designer to continue to rely on the base reasons from which the designs you generate stem from or are backed up by, if you know what I mean. So it has to be a situation of continuously questioning yourself and questioning your decisions at every point in time throughout the process of what you're building. And at the end of the day, even if AI generates those screens and everything that has to do with your design process for you, you're still the one telling it what to do. And if you don't understand what you're building or like the problem it's solving, there is nothing AI can give you that would make that particular product usable. So it's really important to carry those core questions and, will I say, problems that actually led you to even think of building such products, right? You have to continuously keep it in mind. Designers with no personal judgment, AI would definitely replace you. I don't think the goal is to compete with AI currently or to show it that we can also do what it does, right? I feel like it's now a situation of division of labor. AI now obviously has its role in the design industry, or what it can really do for us. So it's left for you as a designer to now do your part very, very well. If you're someone that just accepts whatever output AI gives you without questioning it or trying to refine it, I'm afraid AI is going to replace you. AI speeds up our workflow, yes, but AI is not perfect. And I wouldn't want you to put it on pedestal. You should be able to question whatever output it gives you, because most times AI does not really understand context and intent. And AI also does not understand emotions deeply. And mind you, emotions play a big role when it comes to design. It's still on you to have that ability to choose what looks right, what feels right, and what works best in any given situation. So if you've built years of accumulated confidence or evidence as to you knowing what feels right, why would you outsource that to AI? So without personal judgment, you end up having a generic product like everyone else. AI will replace you if you don't care about product outcomes. I know how interesting and sweet it sounds to actually have a software that helps you build apps, right? But let's not deviate from the main reason why these apps and products are actually built in the first place. They're not for fancy, right? They're there to solve problems. They're there for a purpose. They're created to solve problems for like certain demographics. So if you're less interested in the outcome or like the end goal or probably like positive results of a product that you're building, then AI will most likely replace you. Because the truth is, the evidence of your nonchalance towards like positive outcomes of a certain product, right, will always reflect in the prompt and the way you use AI and whatever output it gives you. So AI is just a tool you can use to amplify your creative voice as a designer, and it's not necessarily a replacement. So all you need to start doing now is to start improving on those skills and fundamentals that you know that AI would never take from you. And if you find yourself under any of these categories, right, you should learn how to question everything. You should learn how to trust yourself and the choices you make as a designer. And also try to use AI for what it does, and then try to do your own part excellently. And you need to make sure that your product plans and goals actually aligns with whatever narrative or output AI gives you. And even when it doesn't, you should still be able to control that narrative. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have questions or any concerns, do let me know in the comments. I'll see you in my next video.